Alright, so we will start off... no, I'm forgetting something. Hello, lovely people, how are you guys doing? What's up? Now I can start off doing what I'm doing. So today's video is going to be something like a get ready with me, something like a makeup tutorial. Why my hair is like this? I have to complain about my hair in every video, that's how it goes. We are going to the movies. Gonna watch a movie in the cinema, I'm so excited for that. I haven't watched a movie in the cinema for like, I don't know, 2 years or something. It's been so long. It's Netflix fault, but I'm getting bored of it, you know? I want to watch something on a bigger screen, much bigger than what I have at home. I mean, it's something exciting about that. I'm gonna start off with my foundation. I don't think that I should say what it is. You probably already know. Look, listen now. Hold on, let me find it. This week I tried different foundations. Like I tried 3 different foundations that I already had and I was using before. The Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Foundation in 150. I tried to cheat on it, but it did not happen. Nothing compares to it. That foundation is just... I think Rihanna made it for me. Like literally. I think that she saw me in her dreams and she was like, I need to make foundation for this girl. She needs my help. Got foundation in my hair. Oh, how cute is that? Oh, I love it. So much fun. Okay, had to put a headband. Say hi to Louis. Yes, I just gave my pimple a name. A very random one. I don't know. Louis. It sounds kind of cute. It's been with me for like a week and a half. I got attached. Excuse its existence. Moving on to my brows, I want to use an eyebrow pencil today. This is the Sigma Fill Plus Blend Brow Pencil. I'm gonna start off using the shade Light, and if I need to, if I find it too light, I'm gonna use the shade Medium. A little brow gel to lock the hairs in place. That brow pencil was actually nice. I did mix the 2 shades, medium and light, but I used the darker shade, the medium one, mainly in the bottom part of my brows, just to add some more definition. I love my eyebrows today. I don't say that very often. I feel like it's going to be a good makeup day. I'm gonna use some concealer to prime my eyes. This is the new Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer Pen. I don't really know what look I want to create today, but I know for sure that I want it to be barely there. I want to do something very natural. ColourPop Bare Necessity Palette. I'm gonna play with it today. I definitely want to use this color here. I'm gonna take a nice fluffy brush. We'll start off with this light shade coat Full Expose. I'm setting with it that concealer that I just applied. Boom, boom, boom. Next up, taking some of Hot Gossip. It's like a medium brown beige color. I'm really bad at explaining colors, but yeah, it's called Hot Gossip. I'm adding that all over my eyelid. Let's see what happens. Just pressing that all over my eyelid and kind of slightly bringing it in my crease. Yeah, this is a look which is barely there. You can barely tell that I have something on my eyelids. Natural, everyday, everywhere appropriate makeup. You know what will really save the situation? Blending. So take a clean blending brush. I'm gonna use this Zoeva 227 and I'm just gonna start diffusing the edges of that eyeshadow. I mean, there is no way your eyeshadows will look natural if you have all of those harsh lines and harsh edges and you know the colors look very rough on your eyelids. No way. You need to do some blending. And I love that. Like, I really enjoy blending my eyeshadows. It's so relaxing. I don't know. It just feels good. That's it. I'm gonna switch to that first brush that I used to apply that light color. Going over everything. Just blending, blending, blending. And see how that eyeshadow just melted into my skin. It looks as if I woke up with my eyes looking like that. Look how it was. It was kind of sad. And look how we made it. Smooth, lovely. So what should I do next? Should I darken it up a little bit more or jump straight to the shimmers? Let's do the shimmers. So I'm gonna take this eyeshadow here. It's called Silk Teddy. Look at it. This is just like one layer. What? Don't do the mistakes that I do. Apply your foundation after your eyeshadows. I got shimmers all over my face, all over this area here, so I had to remove my foundation. But that's okay, because we're gonna apply some concealer there, so it's not that big of a deal. I like this color, like the color of the shimmers. How is this color code? It reminds me of summer, and I like that. So now I'm color correcting my under eye area. I'm using this SEPHORA Color Correcting Concealer in the shade Peach. So I'm just adding that under my eyes here. I get that blue purpley color under my eyes, and the concealers don't really neutralize that. They're covering the darkness and everything, but they don't really neutralize this discoloration that I have going on there. Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in Cotton Candy. I find that this one has that very nice full coverage, but it's not really drying my skin, and I like that. Some contour is never a bad idea, right? This is the first time that I'm using this product. It's the Ofra Skin Sculpting Wand in the shade Sunset. It's so cool toned. It actually looks like shadow on my face, like just like a contour should look like. That was a surprise. I really like this color. Oh, that's nice. I had this for a while in my drawers, but I never tried using it. I like how easily it's blending into the skin. Like I barely touch it with the brush and it's like, gone. Melted. This brush is very nice for blending cream contour. It's the Unicorn Cosmetics 035 brush, and now the handle. This thing is dangerous. It's so sharp, but the brush itself, it looks like a broom. I mean, exactly like a broom, but it's so soft and it just does a really good job blending cream contour. What should we do next? I'm all over the place today. I feel like this video is going to be a nightmare to edit. My future self editing this video is probably hating me right now. Can't get over that contouring color. So good. I'm gonna use a tiny little bit of powder on my face just to lock everything in place, because I have some concealer on my skin, I have the foundation, the contour, all of that. I want to kind of lock it in place before I move on to the rest of the face product. I want to line my eyes, but I don't want to do a winged eyeliner. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Sigma Wicked Gel Eyeliner. Now smudge it very closely to my lashes. I just want to give a little bit of a lift to my eyes. So this will help. Don't want to do a very sharp, crisp liner. I want it to be more soft, you know. Okay, and on top of it, I'll actually use the same brush. I'll add maybe some of this color here, Velveteen. This is a very nice trick if you want to tone down your black eyeliner. Or you can just use a brown one. But if you don't have brown eyeliner, you have black one, and you want to make it look a little bit more soft, you can also do this trick. It will definitely give you more soft, more subtle look. Because black eyeliner can be a little bit intense sometimes, especially with more everyday kind of looks. My two most favorite things in the world, I mean in the makeup world, eyeliner and shimmers. I told you that today is going to be a good makeup day. I had something in my mind. I didn't know what I was going for, but I knew that I wanted to have something like a winged eyeliner. I guess more discreet version of a winged eyeliner, and shimmers. Always. All the time. Love them. So this is the NATASHA Denona Diamond and Blush Palette. I'm gonna take this blush right here. This is the same brush that I used to set my face with powder, but I'm gonna use it for my blush as well. Because it's nice, it's big, it applies the blush everywhere. That's what I've been loving lately. Like I like my blush to be everywhere on my face. I mean, obviously I don't want to paint my face with blush. If you get a brush which applies your... Did I just said blush or brush? This is confusing, but if you get a brush, if you get a blush, no, when you get a nice big fluffy brush like this one, it will give you a softer application of your blush. You just want to get a brush which is nice and soft and, you know, not really dense. You don't want to apply your blushes with very dense brushes. For highlighter, Milk Makeup Flex Highlighter in Lit. Time to melt everything into the skin. I usually use this Overachiever makeup fixer, but today I'm gonna try the Fourth Ray Beauty Mellow Milk Mist. This is, my eye is itchy and I forgot that I had eyeshadows on. This is like a travel version of that spray, so I'm gonna spray my face with it and go over everything with my sponge. Just bounce it on my face. I think that everybody should do that. Honestly, I think that everybody should have this step in their makeup routine. It just makes the makeup look insanely natural. I'm not trying to convince you, but you should try it. I'm gonna coat my lashes with some mascara. I'm very excited to see this lip color on me. First time using it. I'm so bored today. I'm using so many things for the first time today. I usually don't like doing that when I'm going out. It's by ColourPop. It's from their Becky G collection. So I'm gonna line my lips with the lip liner first. Oh, that's nice color. I love it. I love it. It has that touch of mauve. You can definitely see it. Maybe you don't, but I can. I can see it on the mirror here, and it's more cool toned. I like it. I feel like I need a lip gloss on top because my lips are dry. I need to save them with some lip gloss. This NARS, applied a little bit too much. This NARS lip gloss has such an unusual application. I should not talk. I should not talk and apply stuff on my lips. You know, most of the lip glosses have that applicator which is like a brush, but this one is plastic. I don't know if you can tell. It's like plastic. Yeah, it's very soft. It's a nice idea. Different, but nice. Alright, so I think that this is our final look. I don't think that I want to do anything else on my face because I said that we'll create a very natural, everyday look, but I used like 5,000 different products. I was thinking, should I add something along my lower lashes? Should I not? I kind of like how it is. Some people, I'm sure that some people will be like, that looks unfinished. But hey, this is the look that we're going for today. We want to look like we tried, but not that much. We had some time to get ready, but not enough. Which is exactly the truth. I'm filming this video and I'm in a hurry because a movie is waiting for me. I curled my ponytail because it was looking kind of flat. Now it looks like I have a lot more hair and it looks a lot more voluminous. I love it. Adding eyeshadows along your lower lashes, I feel like for me, that looks good only if I'm doing a very glam looks. When I have a lot of things going on my eyelid, or I'm doing something very dark, so I need to extend it, I guess, towards my lower lash line in order to make it all look put together and completed. But with more everyday looks, I don't like doing it because I feel like when I'm adding eyeshadow along my lower lashes, that actually makes me look tired. And this is the same with mascara. Like if I add mascara along my lower lashes, I know that it probably looks like I have some, but this is the mascara that I got from my top lashes, because when I'm applying mascara, it's wet for a while on my lashes, and you know, when I'm blinking, it transfers on my lower lashes. So that's how I got it there. But yeah, I don't like adding stuff here when I'm going for something more natural because it makes me look tired. And that proves that not everything looks good on everyone. I don't know if I said that correctly, but you get what I'm talking about. If you feel like something doesn't look good on you, don't do it. If I'm showing you a step in my makeup routine that you think that doesn't look good on you, just don't do it. You should always adjust your makeup to what looks good on you, to your features, to your preferences. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Hope you like how the look turned out. I'm loving it, and I'm gonna be late for the movie. If you get inspired to recreate it, definitely tag me on Instagram. And talking about Instagram, you can also follow me on there or on Facebook and Twitter. I'll have all of the links down in the description box. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that red subscribe button, and also don't forget to press the bell button, which is right next to it, because that way you'll get a notification every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye! What did I do to deserve such a good makeup day? What did I do? I'm not complaining. Can I get more of those?